If writing every day feels like a battle, use Wispr Flow AI. It will feel like a conversation because you don't type, you just speak, and it becomes clean, polished text in any app. It works in Gmail, Slack, Messages, WhatsApp, Keep Notes, Cloud, basically every word you write. First, just search Wispr Flow on Google and open the official website. Right now, it's available for Mac, Windows, and iPhone. And yes, Android is not available yet. I'm going to download it for Windows. Click Download, complete the quick sign up, and you will get the installer file. Once it's installed, open Wispr Flow, and that's it. You're ready to start. Now you can use Flow to send work messages, reply to emails, and even write long documents just by speaking. And it's also super useful if you are into AI tools. So what exactly is Wispr Flow? It's not normal voice typing. Let me show you some examples. I'm going to speak like how we speak in real life, messy, with pauses, filler words, and corrections. Hi team, just a quick update. The report is almost done. Actually it will be done today evening. Please review it once it's ready. And the output is perfect. It removed fillers and cleaned the sentence. But look at this. Hi team, just a quick update. The report is almost done. Actually, it will be done today evening. Please review it once it's ready. And the output comes like, here it removed only the fillers. It didn't corrected the sentence. So I noticed one thing. If you speak a bit clearly, like with the correct tone and proper pause, Flow gives a better corrected sentence. If you speak very fast or in a flat tone, it will mostly just type what you say, but still without the fillers. Okay, I'm giving myself 10 seconds to type normally and then 10 seconds using Flow. Hi team, quick update. I will share today's meeting notes in the document folder. Please review it before 5 p.m. and add your comments in the same thread. Typing gives you barely one line, but Flow gives you a full paragraph just by speaking. That's literally the speed of your thoughts. You can actually edit using your voice. So if you say something and you want to change a word, you don't need to touch the keyboard. You can just speak commands like replace. Flow is amazing for writing emails. Replace emails with messages. See, it feels like you are talking to an assistant. Please try it on your side also and comment below if it's working for you or not. So if you use unique names often, like your company name or channel name, Wispr Flow can learn them. You can simply add those words to your Wispr Flow personal dictionary. And after that, Flow will type them correctly whenever you say them. Let me show you an example. Before I added my channel name to the dictionary, Flow gave me this output. Now after adding it to the dictionary, look at the difference. Today I'm posting a new video on TechizVibe about Wispr Flow. Flow types it perfectly. Now let me show you one of my favorite features, Snippets. This is super useful if you keep repeating the same message again and again, like links or even YouTube captions. So here is what you do. Click on Snippets, then tap Add New Snippet. For the title, I will give it as My YouTube CTA. Now I'm going to record the snippet. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to TechizVibe. Done. Now watch how easy this becomes. Whenever I want the same line again, I don't type it. I just say My YouTube CTA. And here it is. The full sentence gets typed instantly. And I also created one more snippet for my Google Meet link. So whenever I need to share it, I don't have to search and copy paste. I just press the shortcut. Hey team, please join here. My meeting link. The full link gets pasted instantly. This is super useful if you attend meetings often or if you keep sending the same links to people. Flow supports hundreds of languages, so you're not limited to English. You can also type in your mother tongue or any language you prefer. Today, I'm testing Wispr Flow. Now, if you want to change the language, it's very simple. Go to Settings and under Languages, click on the Change button. See this. There are so many languages you can choose from. For this demo, I'm selecting Malayalam. Then click on Save and Close. Now I will press the shortcut and start speaking in Malayalam. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ Wispr Flow ഉപയോഗിച്ച് വോയിസ് ടൈപ്പിംഗ് ടെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. See how perfect the Malayalam typing is. In the same way, if you want Hindi, just select Hindi and repeat the same steps. See how perfect the output comes. Now, who is Flow actually for? Simple. Anyone who writes a lot. If your job involves writing, replying or thinking fast, Flow saves hours. Flow is free to try, and if you want the advanced features, there is a pro plan. If you want more simple AI tools like this, subscribe. Also comment below what's the next AI hack you want to see. I will pick the next AI tool based on your comments. So imagine writing emails, WhatsApp replies, or even meeting notes like this, without typing and without editing. That's why Flow feels like a conversation, but the output looks professional.